Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Student, we have already discussed chapter 10. Today our topic will be Chapter 10 Creative Question Answer 2. We have already discussed creative question answer 1 number. Let us see today's topic at a glance. Our today's topic is Chapter 10 Creative Question and Answer 2 number, and this is lecture number 16, and I will give you SW. Our SW number will be 13 number SW. So dear student, let us start today's class. Beginning of this creative question 2 number, you can see here is a stem. Here is a 2 figure. This is figure number 1 and this is figure 2, and this is your science book, and our today's topic is here, page number 121, and this creative question and answer we will discuss today. Our first question, A number question, is what is called static electricity? And B number question is why metals are conductor of electricity? Explain. C number, explain the function of figure 1. And D number is there are 2 types of electricity in the second figure. Analyze it by mentioning the areas. Now we will discuss creative answer A number. A number question was what is called static electricity? The answer is static electricity, an electrical charge often created by friction. I am repeating this answer, static electricity, an electrical charge often created by friction. Now B number answer. B number question was why metals are conductor of electricity? Explain. Answer is metals are good conductors of electricity because the electrons are free to move in a network of metal atom. So because of the sea of electrons, these electrons do not belong to just one atom but move freely about the metals network, which makes them great conductors of heat and electricity. Now our C number answer. C number question was explain the function of the figure 1. That means this figure, explain the function of the figure 1. The machine shown in figure 1 is electric bulb. This is an electric bulb. The function of electric bulb is described below. 2 thick wires are placed inside the air free or natural gas filled airtight bulb. There is a coil of a very thin tungsten wire inside an electric bulb. Coil is called filament. Coil is called filament. This bulb produced a lot of heat when it is connected with the electric source, and this filament of bulb emits a huge amount of light. And you have to draw figure 1 here. I have drawn here figure 1. And D number. Now D number question was, there are two types of electricity in the second figure. Analyze it by mentioning the area. Our answer is, D number answer is according to figure 2. That means this figure. According to figure 2, when switch K is open, the circuit of incomplete and no charge flows from positively charged N of battery to negative charged N. In this case, charge is static in two ends of battery. You can see this figure, charge is two ends of battery. When switch K is closed, circuit complete and electricity flows from positively charged end of battery to negative charged end. In this case, current electricity is seen. Therefore, there are two types of electricity in the second figure. So, you have to draw figure 2 here like this. So, dear student, I have finished my today's topic. Now, I will give you SW. Our today's SW number is 30 number SW. When you will do your SW, please write down your SW number and submission date top of your SW copy, and your today's SW is creative two number, and your sub number will be B, C and D. I am repeating your SW. This is 13 number SW, and our today's SW will be creative questions and answer 2 number, and sub number is B, C and D. So, dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy, and you will get 2.5 marks for each SW. So, dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.